Okie dokie. On the bench today, we have some arcade PCBs. I don't exactly remember what's in here, so let's open it up and see what's going on. Okay, so apparently we have a Contra, a World Rally, and something else that I can't really remember exactly what it is here. I think what we'll do is, if I remember correctly, he wanted me to start with the Contra. So I should find that and start there. So let me back you out here. Let me see if I can't find that right this second and start right there. Okay, I believe I found the Contra here. Thought I saw a Konami board number. Okay, well, it's definitely Konami. And I did. Well, does that look recapped? It does. I know you can't see that, but let me put that bubble wrap down. Yeah, those are new. Those are all new. Actually, that's an easy way to tell. Oh yeah, that's had work done to it. Absolutely. So let me take a quick look at this here. What the hell is that all over the place? I mean, it looks good. Geez, I hope there's nothing wrong with that custom, because I do not have one of those. And those are expensive. I hate that. Yeah, I mean, all in all, it looks fairly good. Let me see what his complaint is on this, and I will be right back. Okay, so, I mean, if that wasn't clue enough, I mean, yeah, smart one. So apparently, no sound. So let me get this out of the way here. Let me get this hooked up here. Let me make sure I got the proper voltage here before plugging this board in here. Only because I've been messing with some crap lately, and I don't exactly remember where my power supply has been sitting. So let me just turn that down just to be on the safe side to begin with, and then we'll go from there. So let me get this hooked up here and see if we can't get some sound going on. Okay, we got good voltage here, so let's power it on. Oh, I heard the amp. That looks like it's normal booting. Yeah, that looks normal. Where's our volume controls here? What do we got here? 1 and 2. Is one for stereo, one for not? Or okay, that must be main volume, because I can hear it go up and down. I don't know what that one is. I'll look that up to see what that is. Why would they scratch out that? That's got to be a Yamaha right there. Can you see they scratched that out? That's a 21 whatever. A YM 2151 or whatever the hell it is. Why would they scratch that out? That's freaking odd. Well, let's see. Do we have sound? Like, is this something on his end? No. Oops. Let me back out. Sorry about that. No, I've got nothing here. Yeah, we should have sound. And I'm okay on this end. All these caps, they look like they're all in the right order. Plus, plus, plus. I can't tell if that one's in the right orientation or not, but that looks all right. Man, those customs get warm, eh? Yeah, we've got nothing. Yeah, it's not going to be that. I mean, I wonder if he had sound before. we got good amp. We got the amps working. Let's hit start again. Let's see if we hear anything. Oh, one's mono, one's stereo. Okay, so what is this? Like the balance between left and right? That's probably exactly what that is. Yeah, everything seems all right there. Like I can hear amplified noise. All right, let me take a look at this and go through it and see what we can find here. Okay, so I'm looking over this PCB and I'm like, man, I don't see anything wrong with this. On the other side, I should say. Everything looks okay. I was almost starting to think that where am I? Right here. There's 2 tantalum caps right here, which, I mean, if you're in the business I am, or you repair like you guys do, we know those can go bad. I'm thinking, oh God, those are connected to the volume pots and stuff. Or we got a short between them and nothing's making it out, whatever. So let me turn that light on for you here. And I know this might be blurred out a little bit. So let me get that all situated right here. Right here. Okay. I know I'm not crazy. Let me see if I can get you sat up here. Hang on. Okay, so we're right here. Okay, so we've got, I know this might blow it out a little bit, but I need to see. All right, it looks to me like we've got one via here, right? You can see that, via, right? So it only runs, these run to this via over here, a couple of vias right here. Okay, so just for sanity check, here's this top one here, which is right there, to this one right here. Boom, you heard it. She's there. So the next one down, let me get this in a little closer. Right, that's the top one. That runs all the way across. Now, number 2, this one right here, I can get my probe on it to right here, which doesn't matter, that leg or that via. Now, this third one here, right here, or yeah, third one, sorry, it runs all the way to that right there. There's nothing that, look at that, sorry. I know you guys probably hated that. Give me 2 seconds here. Let me show you. As soon as I find it with my eyes here. Where are we? I mean, it doesn't look like it's broken, but somewhere right in here, that's the first via, the second one, the third one. Somewhere, that trace right in the bottom doesn't seem to be going to that via. Like, I'm not crazy. That runs across all the way to that via. And again, I'll sit you down. I'll try to focus that so that doesn't move focus. Doesn't focus on my ugly hands here. First one at the top. Right here. Boom. Second one. As soon as I can get on it here. Second one. Boom, it's there. Third one. It's not there. Now, if I go in the trace, it's there. To here? No. To this, from right here to here, on the other side, that's not there. That is not there. Let me repair that trace and see. Let me see exactly where that is. That's right here. Let me see exactly where that is. That is across. Well, that's RAM. Sorry. That's RAM. Right here. There's some RAM right here. and some logic. So it's in between this. I wonder if that's stopping sounds from these ROMs here. One of them's going to be probably program ROM. Let me back out here. Sound program. And then sound effects, right? Music, voice, whatever. You know what I mean? Let me fix that and see if that brings us back to life. Okay, so I just sprayed some isopropyl alcohol on it, right? And did a quick little cleanup. And you can see there, I mean, there's not much dirt there, right? But now look at it. As soon as I figure out where the heck I am again. Don't you guys love my filming? So anyways, it just zoomed in here. Look it. You can see the break. You can actually see it. You know what? There might be... I might have to do all three of these. You see that? What the heck is that even? I know. I'm really zoomed in here and I'm shaking. Sorry, guys. Hang on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Let me see if I can steady my hands here. Yeah. I don't know if there's another break going to happen right there. Like, I could feel that. So I might want to tin that one up. Tin this one up. And yeah, that's cut. That is absolutely cut. Okie dokie. We got that trace repaired. Let's do this together. Let's back you out. Let me sit you down for a second. I'll point you somewhere over there. Let's see. And yes, I do have continuity now between that. Let's see if that was the answer. Hello. What do you know? What do you know? Oh, yes. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. Man, that's loud, eh? Wow. Okay, so put a quarter in. Let's just, I mean, yes. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Come on. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, that was it. That was it. And you know what? I mean, the guy did a great job on doing the caps. I mean, they're beautiful, right? Like, he did a good job. It's just that particular break in that it didn't look broken at first. It really didn't. I had to look. I really had to look at that to see what's going on. But yeah, there we go. That is Contra repaired. Now, this board also belongs to the person that I did the Super Contra to. So now he's got a Contra and a Super Contra, which is great. And man, that is... Yeah, whatever. That don't matter. That is way off, though. I don't know if this dip switch makes a difference on this, or... Probably not. No, it doesn't. Thought maybe that might. It probably does when it comes to this. But wow. Okay, let me turn that down. Alrighty. So there's another one in the books. Alrighty, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.